of Virginia has issued a stay-at-home order. You haven't been shopping at the grocery store for a few days. You have a little bit of salad ingredients left and a ripe avocado. What do you make for a dinner entree? Fortunately, you have a fully stocked pantry.
Ready?
Ready.
Welcome to J&J's Stay-at-Home Kitchen. We are going to show you one of our favorite current recipes, cheesy black bean bake. Hope you enjoy.
Our initial ingredients include what you see here. We'll need some boiling water, a can of beans, tomato paste, 3 cloves of garlic, shredded Mexican blend cheese, olive oil, ground cumin and smoked paprika, plus salt and pepper. The only cooking implement you will need for this will be your trusty cast iron skillet. Look for future episodes where we will discuss additional cast iron skillet recipes. Here we are cutting up the garlic. Add 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil to a skillet that is warming to medium heat. Add garlic and saute for 1 minute until lightly golden. The next step is to stir in the tomato paste, 2 tablespoons, one half teaspoon of cumin,
And 3/4 of smoked.
3/4 of a tablespoon.
No,
No,
3/4 of a teaspoon.
3/4 of a teaspoon, my bad, of the smoked paprika. Then you stir it vigorously for 30 seconds. Add the beans
That are drained.
We really like Bush's beans. No relationship to the former president. Season with salt and pepper. Only Jeannie knows the exact amount. And then you add boiling water.
1/4 cup.
1/4 cup.
Stir.
Stir. We're now under low heat, which gives you very nice even heat with the cast iron skillet.
Cover and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes.
Cover and simmer for 5 to 10 minutes. Preheat oven to 425 degrees. Sprinkle 3/4 cup of cheddar or Mexican cheese to the black beans. Transfer the mixture to the oven and bake for
10 minutes.
10 minutes. You can spoon the cheese mixture into taco shells. In this instance, we have whole wheat taco shells from Harris Teeter, or serve over rice or corn chips. You can garnish with guacamole and salsa, accompanied by garden salad for a very nice meal. And
Bon appetit.
the recipe comes from cooking.nytimes.com with our annotations. If you don't have a cast iron skillet, you should. Ours is a Wagner's, 1891. We've had it for over 25 years. On the high end, if you want to purchase one, try Blank Creatives in Charlottesville, Virginia. www.blankwithacreatives.com will fashion for you custom hand-forged cast iron skillets. Tim Bowers has been a grateful recipient of these and recommends them highly. Happy cooking.